something.
What'd you forget?
My boots.
Oh yeah, let's go get your boots. Almost forgot your boots, and that would have been real bad. Where are we?
The beach.
The beach. We're at Tolmie State Park, and I found a feather. Jenna just made a mistake. What did you do?
Nothing.
What did you do? What did you accidentally do?
I went into the boys' bathroom. Don't judge me.
You know, I did that once. It was at the movie theaters.
Wait.
And I found out after I used the bathroom
What?
that I used the wrong bathroom. Thankfully, nobody was in there.
Girls' bathroom?
I did. Long time ago. Long time ago.
I feel proud of you. Hey,
What?
viewers, can you hold my soda? Viewers, thank you. What?
Okay, so we're here for Little Neck clams. Native clams?
Native.
I think they're called native clams, and Little Neck yumminess.
Wow. It smells pretty fishy. It's gross. Smell my finger. It's gross. Gross! You said that my finger smelled yummy when I touched the sand.
Smell like ocean.
Smell Dad's fingers. Found something. Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. In the corner. Do you mind if I wipe this on you?
Go ahead.
Ugh. It smells like poop.
You like poop?
Yeah.
Boom. Bingo. Look what I got.
Is that a little neck?
That's 2 little necks.
Maybe 3 little necks.
3. I thought it kind of looks like a cockle clam. I'll have to look at them when we clean them. There's a 4th. There's a 5th. There's something there. Boom.
Big bill.
They're everywhere.
Big neck. Oh.
A bunch right here.
I know. It looks like the horse necks have wanted revenge.
These aren't horse neck though.
What are they?
Horse neck are bigger.
What are they?
These are all little neck.
Huh.
From my understanding, or maybe they're called Manila, whatever.
Your hair looks really blonde.
Thank you.
Looking for a oyster. Looking for an oyster. Somebody can shuck it. My dad can shuck it. I need it. Ooh. Wonder what this kind is. Didn't find anything, but we found this guy.
Oh, what? Holy crap.
What?
Nice.
What is it?
I forget what that one's called. Might be a butter clam.
I just found him in the river over there.
That's how you found like several clams that way last time. Just walking, and I'm over here doing all this hard work.
Muddy hands.
Nice. Did you get another one? Go ahead. Oh. Right there. Look at that. Very nice. So we can see another one. big crunch? The rock. But this one, there we go. Very nice. That rock is fooling me. Everywhere. This one's too small. There we go. Jenna just said something. She said I have gray hair. Where?
Like, I was kidding. I got you.
Don't do that. Gosh.
Why?
Because I'm young. I'm young. I'm only 17.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No,
How old am I?
you're 30.
No gray hair yet. We did good.
Wait, viewers. Come here. Come here.
Whole bunch. Not bad. Like smoked, like yummy. Dang. This bad boy. Little circle. I'm gonna shuck it. Look at this. Oyster. We got 40 little neck clams, shucked about 10 oysters. Yeah, delicious. Jenna found a bunch of clams when the tide was coming back in. We're bound back home. Poke my pepperoni.
No, look. I didn't poke it. I was like this.
Trying to get sand in there.
Do you want some extra cheese?
Heck yeah.